सरकार भी हस्तक्षेप करे, रे केंद्र का प्रतिनिधि भी लाइसेंस बढ़ाने की उस कमेटी के अंदर रहे।
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on the weapon of mass destruction and the delivery system prohibition of unlawful activities amendment bill 2022. The bill is in the line with our international obligation under UN Charter to promote international peace and development. The existing law covers unlawful activities relating to biological, chemical and nuclear weapons and their delivery system and provides for integrated legal measures to exercise control over the export of material, equipment and technologies in relation to the weapon of the mass destruction and their delivery system and for prevention of the transfer of non-state actors or terrorists. Sir, India is a responsible nuclear weapon state and is committed as per its nuclear doctrine to maintain credible minimum deterrence with the posture of no first use and non-use against non-nuclear weapon state. The Patent Act provides overarching and integrated legislation providing unlawful activities in relation to the weapon of mass destruction and their delivery system. While India's firm commitment to safeguard its security as nuclear weapon state and its commitment to global nuclear disarmament, the Act seeks to effectively translate at the operational level of India's commitment to prevent the proliferation of the weapon as mass destruction. Sir, the Indian government must view nuclear weapon as a part of comprehensive national security strategy that includes diplomacy, armed control, initiative and conventional force to maximize stability and peace in the region. I would like to bring to the notice, 1 minute, to the Minister. Sir, the cyber warfare technology is another transdomain capability that are spreading rapidly. Indian nuclear weapon-related system should be ready to respond to cyber threats. Sir, the biological convention, India remains particularly vulnerable to the biological threat and has history of hostile political conflicts. 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. India needs to take a lead in ensure of biological weapon convention in effect in the aim of curbing use of biological agent or toxin. The primary focus of India at biological weapon convention should be to insist and participate in the scientific advisory board where there should be scientists representing of various participating countries, industry, socialists and academics. And only the last point, sir, there should be a reform in DRDO, which is our India's defense industry core, whose main laboratory is in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, because of massive failure of the indigenous weapon program do not paint paint a good picture, and I would want the minister to clarify how the government plans to.
Thank you very much, Speaker, sir.